Hello guys and gals, this is Miss Bullen here. I'm going to be teaching you a technique that we're going to be using throughout the week this week, which is using editing marks to edit a peer's paper. That is something that we're going to be working on this week to finish up our papers. We're going to do peer reviews, which means you're going to be reviewing somebody else's paper except yours. So a peer is a friend. You're going to be reviewing a friend's paper and editing and giving it back once you're finished. So, editing, there are different marks that you can use whenever you are editing. The 3 lines means capitalize a letter, so any letters that you think that needs to be capitalized, you'll put 3 lines underneath it. Change a capital to a lowercase, you just put a backslash. A period with a circle around it, that means you need to insert a period. Some people have left out periods whenever they are typing, and that's just the case that you just need to put a circle with a dot in it, knowing that your friend needs to put a period there. This little caret symbol, that's what they call that, is a caret symbol, is where you need to insert a word. So sometimes you may be typing and something doesn't quite sound right. So that little caret means you need to insert a word. And usually your peer or another person would tell you which word may need to be inserted in there. The little slash through it just means delete it, take it out, and that's just, you don't need that word in there at all. Fix the spelling. Some people have trouble spelling, so you would just need to circle the word and fix the spelling. The little reverse symbol, reverse letters or words, and then indent a paragraph is this little backwards P. Excuse me. So, I am going to show you how to use some of these symbols on a paper that I've been working on writing for a draft to show you how to write. So, let me get my pencil started. So let's see if I need to capitalize any letters in my paper so far. So it says the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. These are famous words from Franklin Delano Roosevelt, a famous person during the Great Depression. The Great Depression looks like it was capitalized before, but it's not capitalized then. So I would, if I was editing this paper from someone, I would just put my 3 lines just like that under the G and the D. So 3 lines means capitalize the letter. I would capitalize that G and the D for Great Depression. Okay, so the Great Depression was so I would insert a word. So that little caret was, and then put that caret, and then you could put what the word needs to be inserted. So A. The Great Depression was a time period during the early 1930s when businesses failed and people went through unemployment. Okay, everything looks great there. I don't need to insert a period, I don't need to change the capital to a lowercase, nothing like that so far. Okay, perfect. So due to this, many people were out of work, food, and became homeless. It started, that was a little too much. Let's backtrack there. So let's see what I need to do there. It says, due to this, many people were out of work, food, and became homeless. So it looks like I need to put a period right there. Remember that period symbol is a circle with a dot inside of it. So I would just do that dot and then a circle around it. Do that dot again so you can actually see it. So homeless and then a period after that. So then, of course, when you start a new sentence, you always need to capitalize. So it says capitalize a letter. So you need to capitalize that letter I to make it uppercase to start a new sentence. So it started in the United States, but quickly spread elsewhere. America was forever That doesn't look right. Let's see how we need to fix the spelling. So let's circle this, because that's not how you spell forever. And then I'm gonna put a backslash to that, or to delete that. There we go. So, Forever is forever. So I would just circle the spelling that was incorrect. So, and then if I wanted to tell them how to spell it and I didn't have enough room, I'll just write it down here. So F-O-R-E-V-E-R. So that's how I'd spell it. That's how I'd help them spell it whenever they were typing. So forever changed by the Great Depression because of people like FDR. Oh, Herbert Hoover. That's a proper noun. So I would underline that letter again for the H. And Amelia Earhart. Same thing with her last name. All right, so that's first paragraph's finished. There was just a couple edits that I needed to do. So then let's move on to the second paragraph. Already from the start, I noticed something that I need to fix. I'm not sure if you've noticed as well, but when you start a new paragraph, you need to indent the paragraph. So with that indent, you would do the backwards P like this. So just 2 lines, and then backwards P. Fill it in too if you need to. And that just means I need to indent that paragraph when I fix this. So first of all, America was forever changed by the Great Depression because of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Franklin Delano Roosevelt, also known as FDR, had a positive attitude about changing America. Okay, so here I was able to make my edits on my paper as it just deleted it. I was able to use these editing marks to capitalize the letter, insert periods, insert a word, fix the spelling, and indent paragraphs. So when you come into class this week, this is what you'll be working on. And I will have a cutout of this editing mark sheet for you to actually help with you when you do your peer reviews. Just note that whenever you're doing it, really pay close attention to what your peers need to work on. And once you're finished, your peer will be able to edit and have their final piece to turn in. So I cannot wait to see you in class tomorrow. I hope you understand and comprehended what I was teaching you today, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening.